Hi, welcome to Laura's Vendora. Today I'm going to show you how I made this giant penny. So it's Memorial Day coming up here soon and 4th of July, of course, in a month or so. And it's the perfect time to start decorating festive USA decorations. So I wanted something unique and I thought, penny, why not a giant penny? Okay, so I cut out these giant circles out of this plywood board that I had. Made sure they matched. And then I put large tubes, which you could also use like toilet paper, leftover toilet paper tubes, which we all have extra of those nowadays. Stick them in there and then tape them together. Wrap a cardboard piece around the whole edge of these circles. Okay, and then you're going to make a nice little round trim to go around the penny. Write out all the lettering and cut them all out with cardboard. Hot glue those down. Of course, I put 2020, so next year when I pull it out, I can just remove the 0 and add a 1 or keep it for, memory's sake. Okay, then what I did is I'm tracing out Lincoln's profile onto the circle. And then I'm just going to cut out cardboard of these pieces, make a large layer for the whole face and body, then do the shoulders, the collar, the bow tie, the little vest, his beard, his hair, his ears. Then of his eyes and his nose and stuff, I am just going to add details with a hot glue gun. So, after you glue that all down, the words, the face, the body parts, then you're going to add the details of his hair. You're going to add details of his hair with a hot glue gun. Then it's time to paint. You're going to paint it a neutral kind of brown, light brown color. Then after that, you're going to paint with a copper. And I had two types of copper paints, acrylic paints. I had a lighter copper and then a darker copper, which kind of helped with emphasizing the details of the facial expressions and the body and stuff like that to make it look more like a used penny than a bright penny. Okay, you let that dry, and I kind of realized the words couldn't really pop out to me with the copper color, so I went ahead and painted the lettering and the year all white so that I could see it from my driveway when I pulled up to my house. And that is how I made a giant penny. I hope you have a wonderful Memorial Day and an awesome 4th of July this year. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos like this.